Good morning, Adam. How are you today? Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you. Adam, can you tell me about your daily routine? Yes, teacher. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get dressed. That is a good start. What do you do next? After I get ready, I have breakfast with my family. I like to eat toast and eggs. Sounds healthy. How do you go to school? I go to school by car. My father drives me. I enjoy looking out of the window and watching the trees and houses. That is interesting. Do you like riding in the car? Yes, teacher. The car ride is calm and quiet. It gives me time to think about my day. Very nice, Adam. What happens when you reach school? When I reach school, I go to my classroom. I greet my friends and then I sit at my desk to study. And what do you do after classes? After classes, I finish my homework at home. I also practice reading and writing. It is very important to have a good routine. Do you help with any chores at home? Yes, teacher. I sometimes help set the table for lunch and clean my room. That is excellent, Adam. A clear routine and good habits help you grow. Thank you, teacher. I try my best every day to learn and do well. Keep up the good work, Adam. Remember, every small step helps you learn more. I will, teacher. Thank you for your kind words. Hi, Adam. How was your day at school? Hi, Dad. My day was good. I learned many new things in class. That is great to hear. Can you tell me more about what you studied today? Sure, Dad. I learned math problems and read a story in English. I also did a science experiment. That sounds interesting. Do you have a study routine after school? Yes, Dad. After I come home, I do my homework. I also review my notes from class. I am glad you have a routine. How long do you study each day? I study for about 1 hour after school. Later, I study a little more in the evening before dinner. That is a very good plan. Do you find time to read extra books? Yes, Dad. I like to read storybooks and sometimes a little about science. Reading makes me feel happy and smart. Reading is important for learning. What do you do if you find a subject hard to understand? If I find a subject hard, I ask my teacher or a friend for help. I also try to read the topic again at home. That is a smart way to learn, Adam. I am proud of you for working hard. Thank you, Dad. I want to do my best so I can learn a lot and make you proud. You already make me proud, son. Keep following your study routine and ask for help when needed. I will, Dad. I also plan to finish my homework before dinner so I have time to relax later. Good idea, Adam. A balanced routine helps you learn and rest well. Yes, Dad. I enjoy my study time because I know it will help me in the future. I am happy to hear that. Enjoy the ride home, and we can talk more about your day later. I will, Dad. Thank you for always supporting me.
Hello, Adam. Welcome home. How was your school day?
Hi, Mom. My day was very good. I learned many things and had fun with my friends.
I heard you did very well on your test today. Is that true?
Yes, Mom. I studied hard, and I got a good score on my test.
That is wonderful news, Adam. I am very proud of you. Can you tell me more about your success today?
Of course, Mom. In class, I answered many questions correctly. I also helped a friend who did not understand a math problem.
Helping others is a sign of a good heart. Your teacher must be very happy.
I think so, Mom. I feel good when I help others, and it makes the class fun.
You work hard every day, Adam. Do you have a special plan for your studies?
Yes, Mom. I follow my daily routine. I study after school and then review my notes in the evening. I also try to learn new words in English.
That is very smart, Adam. Learning new words will help you read and write better.
I agree, Mom. I read a little bit every day because I love stories and learning.
Success is not only about marks, but also about being kind and helpful. You are doing both.
Thank you, Mom. I want to keep getting better and be a good person.
I believe in you, Adam. With your hard work and kind heart, you will achieve many great things.
I will work hard, Mom, and I will always try to learn more.
I am very happy to see you succeed, Adam. Remember, your father and I love you very much.
I love you too, Mom. I am thankful for your love and support every day.
Keep up the good work, and always be proud of yourself. You make our home a happier place.
I will, Mom. I feel proud and happy when I know I have done my best.